Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has exceeded our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.37%. This results in an average return of 0.68% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 8.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -15.33% to -1.84%. In terms of long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 30.07%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 23.07% to 59.29% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between $275.37 and $356.42. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Green Day on Tuesday for Apple stock after gaining 1.37%. The Apple stock price gained 1.37% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, rising from $220.73 to $223.75. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or take a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.83%, with a day low of $220.08 and a day high of $224.10. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.32% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 8 million shares, totaling 34 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.67 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.10, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 13.98%, or $36.35, below the 52-week high of $260.10, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. has been making headlines today, reflecting a complex landscape for investors. First, the company announced that its annual Worldwide Developers Conference will run from the 9th to the 13th of June. This event typically showcases advancements in Apple's software ecosystem, which could be pivotal for developers and may positively influence investor sentiment ahead of new product announcements. However, concerns linger regarding Apple's performance in the Chinese market, a key growth area. Reports indicate a decline in Apple's business within China, while CEO Tim Cook is attending the China Development Forum. This scrutiny could create pressure on the stock in the short term, especially as analysts call for caution amid broader declines in major tech stocks, including Apple, contributing to a lowered growth outlook. Moreover, with Apple being part of the Mag 7, group of leading tech firms which have seen declines exceeding 10% recently, investors are urged to approach the stock carefully. Analysts from D.A. Davidson have commented that while an upgrade cycle is anticipated, it may not be as robust as expected, adding another layer of caution. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a grade of overweight along with a hold action. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a grade of reduce, accompanied by an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs gave Apple a grade of buy and a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a grade of hold with a downgrade action. Also on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies gave Apple a grade of underperform while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Apple stock displays a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $231.29. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $216.97. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall sentiment. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 6.71%. Additional growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple is currently supported by accumulated volume at $222.64. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences moderate daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.02, representing a change of 1.83%. Throughout the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $229.86. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $222.64. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Wagner Susan conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Sugar Ronald D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Also on that date, Lozano Monica C. conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. That same day, Jung Andrea conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.095. Overall, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple presents several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by $1.11, beginning trading at $222.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Also, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.